How to add tap to cash on iPhone. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily add tap to cash. First thing you're going to have to do is make sure that your phone is up to date. It's going to require iOS 18 or above, so make sure that you have at least iOS 18 on your device. So go to your general settings first and then tap on software update and check if you have an iOS 18 phone. If not, if there are any updates available, just make sure to update the software. Now you can just tap on next and go back here, scroll down all the way on your settings until you find Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on it. Then from here you'll find something called Apple Cash. All you have to do is enable Apple Cash, so it can enable sending and receiving money on this phone. It does not require any other third-party apps. Once you enable it, just enter your Apple ID's password, and then you can add it quickly to your control center. So long press and hold on your control center. Here tap on add a control and then search for cash. Then you'll find the tap to cash control right there. And once you tap on it, it will take you directly to the app. And from there, you can just basically tap on each other's phone to share money or send and receive money. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.